What's up guys, it's Aiden, and today we're going to go through how Lil Uzi Vert made That Way. Lil Uzi Vert just dropped his first song for the decade. It's called That Way, and I want to go through it with you today in this video. And for my fellow FL Studio users, I will leave the FLP in the description below. First off, to introduce this song, we have this bassy sound. And this is on Nexus, it's the Prids sidechain bass. One thing though with making this sound is it's very smooth in transitioning from note to note. So the way you make these smooth transitions from note to note is you head into your MOD and go to status and make sure that legato is chosen. And I've just left the speed at 1/32. Then I'm putting that on my mixer, and the main thing I'm doing is adding a equalizer, and I'm just getting rid of some of the highs. Playing with that sound is this guitar melody. So I created this sound using two different versions of Omnisphere. The first one is the smoked lap steel C, and I've brought the chorus echo down. And I'm backing that up with another sound on Omnisphere. It's the jazz guitar pick octaves wheel, and I've brought the Proverb mix down to 24. Then to try and emulate the dynamics of the guitar in his song, I've created automation clips for the channel volumes, and I'm bringing down the volume at the start of each bar. So altogether at the start of the song, it's sounding like this. That plays for 8 bars until we come up to the first verse. Next up we have the 808, which I created using two different 808s. The first one is playing the high frequencies, and then the second one is the original 808 Mafia 808, and this is playing the low frequencies. So they play together like this. Also, the guitar melody is switched up. And playing with that, we have this percussion loop. Here we have a couple of hi-hats, a rim shot, this snare drum, and the Luger slap clap. Then we have this weird vocal chant. The instrumentals between the verse and the chorus are very similar, except that in the chorus we have these castanets. Then coming into the second verse, the castanets are still playing, in addition to everything else, but then we have this new guitar coming in. This is a preset from Omnisphere that I showed you earlier. It's the jazz guitar pick octaves wheel, but what's interesting about it is now we have slide notes. And since Omnisphere isn't a native preset to FL Studio, we have to make these slide notes inside of Omnisphere. So I've turned on glide and solo, and I brought the glide time up to 0.05 seconds. So it's a very quick glide, but yeah, that's how you do it. The final thing I want to show you is during the bridge where you hear this reverse guitar. And that's playing with the Nexus preset from the beginning. And this is just the guitar melody in reverse. So a really easy way to render a pattern is just right click on it and go render as audio clip. So you'll find it now as a sample inside of your audio clips, so you can just drag that into your playlist. This will still be playing the correct way around. Then to reverse it, just double click on it and you'll find this reverse box here. Now it should be reversed. That's it for everything I want to go through with you in this video. Again, I'll leave the FLP in the description below. Apart from that, I'll play you a clip from the song now. Thanks for watching guys, I really appreciate it. Make sure to like and subscribe if you enjoyed the video, and I'll see you guys next time.